Literal na roller coaster lang. Excited ba? Tripay niya siya. Wow, yaman girl. Naruliyak? Okay? Jollibee kanina, mag-luli girl. Eyo! Kapoy! Kapoy! Uy! Hello guys! We're here on board. Ano ba tawag ini? Basta din na kami hit. Ferry boat. Kita niyo yan? Dagat yan. Problema kay damot durot sa akay. Bakit ka pumipila siya? Duplicate ang ticket. Anong hindi pila? Really? Really? Really yan? Yan ang hindi pila? Iya. 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 Time check is 9:55 and upon nakakalis, time check, it's 10:35 and this year, hindi nakakalis. Time check is 10 in the morning. Day 0. Tapos nakapoy na. Magpichit tanta. Girl Scout talaga sa mga bato. Hi guys. I mean the tent inside is very hot.
Inside the place is very hot. But the good news is we have again Jollibee for our lunch. So tapos na po kami mag-pitch ng tent and we are now staying in our home. This is gonna be our home for 5 nights and 5 days. 6 days.
And we're gonna show you later the Camp Marina.
Samay na gano ka? Samay. Ataya, okay ka pa rin, ha? Yan. Tikain ka yan. Finally. Nagano ka na siya, May?
Ikaw tiyam, gano ka?
Oh, well. English talaga. English. Yay! Fresh na. Wait, team yellow. Ay, siya, May. How do you feel right now?
Fresh. Feeling fresh.
How about Ma'am Diasa? How do you feel right now? Okay, Ma'am.
Hi! Nakakarigo na kami. Ma-enjoy na dito among kinabuhi.
Hey, we are now in one of the activity areas here in Camp Marina and we are having our lunch at my Punjabi.
Yeah, breakfast pa rin.
Brunch. Pala brunch. Time check, it's 11 in the morning. Past 11. Few minutes. Kaan. Here's a true Girl Scout. O, dahil na dapat alam chinilas liyan. What happened to that? Pakita. Show us. Iyan. So, what are you doing?
I'm sewing my...
Nagamitan ang sewing kit. Golian. Shada. Pakita. Pakita. Wow, galing. Sige daw, sultan daw. Hindi na mag-iingkain ka. Kaya sa rin ni Tita Jeanette, ano nga klase ito ng sandal? Sinalas? Ako nagkalian flat.
Like a penny.